Module 2. Business Strategy and Operations. Michael Porter and Generic Business Strategies. Michael Porter is a renowned strategist and professor at Harvard Business School, best known for his contributions to competitive strategy. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential thinkers in strategic management. Porter's work has significantly impacted how businesses approach competition and formulate strategies to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. In his seminal book Competitive Strategy: Techniques for Analyzing Industries and Competitors, Porter introduced the concept of generic business strategies, which are three fundamental approaches companies can adopt to gain a competitive edge in their industry. These strategies include differentiation, low cost, and focus. The differentiation strategy focuses on creating a unique and distinctive product or service that stands out in the market. The key objective is to offer something perceived as valuable and different from competitors, leading to customer preference and loyalty. By emphasizing unique features, quality, design, customer service, or branding, companies can charge premium prices and appeal to a specific segment of customers willing to pay for the perceived added value. To successfully implement a differentiation strategy, companies need to conduct extensive market research to identify customer needs, preferences, and desires. The emphasis is on creativity, innovation, and continuous improvement to maintain differentiation over time. Differentiation can create strong brand loyalty and serve as a barrier to entry for competitors, but it also requires higher investments in research and development, marketing, and customer experience. Examples of companies employing a differentiation strategy include Apple with its innovative and design-focused products, Ferrari with its luxury sports cars, and Starbucks with its unique coffeehouse experience. The low-cost strategy centers on achieving a competitive advantage by being the cost leader in the industry. The goal is to deliver products or services at a lower cost than competitors while maintaining acceptable levels of quality. This approach allows companies to attract price-sensitive customers and gain market share, even in price-sensitive markets. To implement a low-cost strategy, businesses must focus on operational efficiency, economies of scale, supply chain optimization, and cost control measures. Reducing production costs, streamlining processes, and negotiating favorable deals with suppliers are standard practices in this strategy. Companies pursuing a low-cost strategy often compete in markets with high price competition and standardized products. However, it's essential to maintain a minimum level of differentiation to avoid becoming a commodity where price becomes the only competitive factor. Examples of companies employing a low-cost strategy include Walmart in the retail industry, Southwest Airlines in the aviation sector, and IKEA in the furniture retail market. The focus strategy involves concentrating on a narrow segment or niche market and tailoring products or services to meet the specific needs and preferences of that target group. Rather than trying to serve the entire market, companies pursuing a focus strategy focus their efforts and resources on serving a smaller but more specialized customer base. There are two variations of the focus strategy, and the first is cost focus. Cost focus strategy is used when companies seek to be the low-cost provider within a niche market. The second is differentiation focus, which occurs when companies seek to differentiate themselves within a niche market and offer unique products or services to meet the specific demands of that segment. To effectively execute a focus strategy, companies must thoroughly understand their chosen niche and deeply understand the needs and behaviors of the target customers. By serving a smaller market, companies can build stronger customer relationships and gain a competitive advantage through specialization. Examples of companies employing a focus strategy include Rolls-Royce in the luxury automobile market, Rolex in the high-end watch industry, and Lululemon Athletica in the premium athletic apparel market. Unraveling the backbone of success. Understanding business operations. Business operations form the fundamental backbone of any organization, encompassing the day-to-day activities and processes necessary to produce goods, deliver services, and achieve organizational goals. Efficient and well-structured business operations are crucial for an enterprise's success, as they directly impact productivity, cost-effectiveness, customer satisfaction, and overall competitiveness. Business operations refer to the core activities, tasks, and procedures an organization undertakes to create, deliver, and support its products or services. It involves the coordination and synchronization of resources, including people, technology, materials, and finances, to achieve predetermined objectives and meet customer demands effectively. There are 4 significant reasons business operations are essential. The first reason is efficiency. Efficient business operations streamline processes, reduce waste, and optimize resource utilization. By eliminating redundancies and inefficiencies, organizations can achieve higher productivity levels and accomplish more with fewer resources. Cost management is the second reason. Effective business operations play a crucial role in cost control and cost reduction. By optimizing production processes, supply chain management, and resource allocation, companies can minimize expenses and improve profit margins. The third reason is customer satisfaction. Smooth and well-executed business operations result in consistent and reliable delivery of products or services. Meeting customer expectations leads to higher satisfaction, building brand loyalty, and fostering long-term relationships. Competitive advantage is the last reason business operations are essential. Organizations with solid business operations gain a competitive edge over their rivals. The ability to respond swiftly to market changes, adapt to customer preferences, and maintain quality standards contributes to staying ahead in the market. The four common operations objectives, namely quality, cost, delivery, and flexibility, often called QCDF, are vital components that organizations aim to optimize to achieve operational excellence and overall business success. These objectives represent key performance indicators, KPIs, that guide decision-making and resource allocation in the operations management process. Quality is a critical operation objective as it directly impacts customer satisfaction, brand reputation, and market competitiveness. Organizations strive to produce goods or deliver services that consistently meet or exceed customer expectations. Quality encompasses various aspects, including product reliability, durability, safety, and conformance to specifications. Achieving high-quality standards requires rigorous quality control measures, adherence to industry best practices, and continuous improvement initiatives. By maintaining superior quality, companies can build a loyal customer base and differentiate themselves from competitors. Cost management is an essential operation objective, aiming to maximize profitability and optimize resource allocation. Controlling costs involves minimizing expenses associated with production, distribution, inventory, and other operational processes. Reducing waste, improving process efficiency, and negotiating favorable supplier contracts are standard cost-cutting measures. While lowering costs is essential, it must not compromise product or service quality. Striking the right balance between cost reduction and maintaining quality is a critical challenge in operations management. Timely and reliable delivery is crucial to customer satisfaction and competitive advantage. Organizations must meet delivery commitments, ensuring that products or services reach customers as per agreed-upon schedules. On-time delivery builds customer trust and enhances their overall experience with the company. To achieve efficient delivery, operations managers optimize supply chain logistics, inventory management, and production planning. Effective coordination between various supply chain stages is necessary to avoid delays and disruptions. For example, maintaining higher inventory levels represents a focus on the delivery operations objective due to the strategic intent of meeting customer demand promptly and consistently. The delivery operations objective pertains to the efficiency and effectiveness of delivering products or services to customers promptly. Flexibility refers to the ability of an organization's operations to adapt to changes in market demands, customer preferences, and unforeseen circumstances. A flexible operations system can respond promptly to fluctuations in demand, the introduction of new products, or changes in business conditions. To enhance flexibility, organizations may adopt strategies such as cross-training employees, maintaining agile production capabilities, and building a responsive supply chain. A flexible operations approach helps companies remain resilient and seize opportunities in a dynamic business environment. The art of imitation, understanding product imitator strategy. Competition drives innovation and pushes companies to develop unique products and services continually. However, not every organization is a pioneer in its industry. Some businesses choose a different approach and embrace the strategy of product imitation. This essay explores the concept of the product imitator strategy, rationale, advantages, and ethical considerations. Product imitation is a business strategy where companies observe successful products or services in the market and replicate them with minor modifications to create a similar offering. The primary objective of this strategy is to capitalize on the proven success of an existing product without the need for significant investments in research and development. In the product imitator strategy, the order winner is a price for the customer, while in the product innovator strategy, the order winner is flexibility. Navigating success, the art of strategic decisions. In the complex and ever-changing business world, making informed and well-thought-out decisions is crucial for an organization's success. Strategic decisions are the cornerstone of effective management, guiding companies toward achieving their long-term objectives and gaining a competitive edge. Defining strategic decisions. Strategic decisions are significant choices made by top-level management that shape the overall direction, goals, and competitive positioning of an organization. These decisions are future-oriented, focusing on the long term, and often involve a high level of uncertainty. Strategic decisions are not isolated but interconnected and aligned with the company's vision, mission, and core values. Strategic decisions are important for 4 reasons. The first is goal achievement. Strategic choices are essential in defining and achieving an organization's strategic objectives. They provide a roadmap for aligning all activities and resources toward common goals. The second reason is a competitive advantage. Strategic decisions allow companies to differentiate themselves from competitors, creating unique selling propositions and sustainable competitive advantages. Resource allocation is the third reason because effective strategic decisions prioritize allocating resources, including finances, human capital, and technology, to maximize efficiency and value creation. The last reason is risk management. Strategic decisions involve carefully analyzing opportunities and risks, helping organizations anticipate and mitigate potential challenges. Strategic decisions are made for each of the following decision areas: quality, process, capacity, and inventory. Strategic choices play a crucial role in shaping the success of an organization across various decision areas, including quality, function, capacity, and inventory management. Each area requires a thoughtful and well-considered approach to ensure the decisions align with the organization's strategic objectives. Strategic decisions in quality management involve creating a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring customer satisfaction, and maintaining product or service excellence. The process of making strategic decisions in quality includes: the first step is to establish clear and measurable quality standards that align with customer expectations and industry benchmarks. This involves understanding customer needs, preferences, and feedback. Organizations make strategic decisions regarding implementing quality control measures such as inspections, testing, and certification to ensure consistent product or service quality. Strategic decisions involve promoting and supporting continuous improvement initiatives like Total Quality Management, TQM, or Lean Six Sigma, which aim to identify and eliminate inefficiencies and defects. Strategic decisions in process management focus on optimizing workflows, improving productivity, and reducing operational bottlenecks. The process of making strategic decisions in process management includes: organizations map out their processes and analyze them to identify inefficiencies, redundancies, and opportunities for improvement. Strategic decisions involve investing in automation and technology to streamline processes, improve accuracy, and reduce manual interventions. Strategic decisions in capacity management revolve around aligning resources with demand to ensure smooth operations and optimal resource utilization. The process of making strategic decisions in capacity management includes: organizations make strategic decisions to invest in accurate demand forecasting methods to anticipate future resource needs. Strategic decisions involve allocating resources appropriately to meet current and future demands. Organizations may make strategic decisions to invest in capacity expansion, such as building new facilities or increasing production capabilities, to accommodate growing demand. Strategic decisions in inventory management focus on maintaining adequate stock levels to meet customer demand while minimizing holding costs. The process of making strategic decisions in inventory management includes: strategic decisions involve optimizing inventory levels through inventory turnover analysis and efficient order management. Organizations may strategically implement JIT inventory practices to reduce holding costs and improve cash flow. Strategic decisions may involve setting appropriate safety stock levels to buffer against unexpected demand fluctuations or supply chain disruptions. Lower capacity utilization prioritization in emerging markets, a strategic approach. Emerging markets present unique challenges and opportunities for businesses aiming to expand their operations. These markets are characterized by rapid economic growth, evolving consumer preferences, and dynamic regulatory environments. Firms operating in emerging markets often face uncertainties, and they must adopt strategic approaches to mitigate risks and maximize their chances of success. One such approach is prioritizing lower capacity utilization. In this essay, we will explore the reasons why firms competing in emerging markets prioritize lower capacity utilization as a strategic decision. Emerging markets are economies that are in the process of transitioning from developing to developed status. These markets exhibit rapid economic growth, urbanization, and a burgeoning middle class. They are typically found in regions such as Asia, Africa, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. Key characteristics of emerging markets include: emerging markets often experience higher GDP growth rates compared to mature economies, presenting lucrative opportunities for businesses. As economies grow and incomes rise, consumer preferences change, leading to new demands and product preferences. Emerging markets may have less predictable regulatory environments, requiring companies to be adaptable and responsive to changes. Reasons for prioritizing lower capacity utilization include risk mitigation. Risk mitigation occurs when entering an emerging market involves uncertainties, such as unpredictable demand, changing consumer preferences, and evolving regulatory policies. By prioritizing lower capacity utilization, firms can minimize their exposure to financial risks associated with overinvesting in production capacity that may not be fully utilized. In emerging markets, consumer preferences and demand patterns can change rapidly. Operating with lower capacity utilization allows firms to be more agile and responsive to market shifts, enabling them to adapt production volumes quickly to meet fluctuating demand. In certain emerging markets, resources such as skilled labor, raw materials, and energy may be limited or expensive. Lower capacity utilization helps in optimizing the utilization of these resources, reducing wastage and increasing operational efficiency. For firms entering an emerging market, it may be more practical to start with a lower production capacity. This approach requires lower initial investment and provides an opportunity to test the market before committing to larger scale operations. Prioritizing lower capacity utilization allows firms to gradually penetrate the market and build a customer base. This gradual approach helps them better understand local dynamics, consumer preferences, and market demand, leading to more informed business decisions. The triple bottom line: integrating environmental, social, and economic sustainability. In recent years, a growing number of businesses and organizations have embraced a holistic approach to evaluating their performance and impact. The triple bottom line, TBL, is a concept that emphasizes the simultaneous consideration of three crucial dimensions: environmental, social, and economic. This framework encourages organizations to go beyond solely focusing on profits and to recognize their responsibilities toward the planet, people, and prosperity. This essay will explore the concept of the triple bottom line, its three dimensions, and the benefits it offers in promoting sustainable practices and business success. The triple bottom line was first introduced by John Elkington in 1994. Instead of measuring success solely based on financial profits, the traditional bottom line, this framework proposes a more comprehensive evaluation of an organization's performance by incorporating environmental, social, and economic impacts. There are three dimensions to the triple bottom line. The first dimension is the environment. This dimension focuses on an organization's environmental impact, including its carbon footprint, resource consumption, waste generation, and efforts to preserve biodiversity and ecosystems. Emphasizing environmental sustainability is crucial to ensure the well-being of the planet for future generations. The social dimension of the TBL addresses the organization's impact on society. It involves considering aspects such as employee well-being, labor practices, community engagement, human rights, diversity and inclusion, and social contributions. The economic or last dimension is the traditional bottom line that evaluates an organization's financial performance, profitability, and economic contributions to stakeholders, including investors and shareholders. Market demand is a fundamental concept in economics that plays a crucial role in shaping business strategies, influencing production decisions, and determining prices. It refers to the quantity of a product or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at a given price and within a specific time period. Understanding market demand is essential for businesses to thrive in a competitive environment. Several factors drive market demand. The most obvious one is the price of the product or service. As the price decreases, consumers are more inclined to buy more, leading to an increase in demand. Conversely, higher prices may reduce demand, especially if cheaper alternatives are available. Income levels also significantly impact market demand. As people's incomes rise, their purchasing power increases, enabling them to buy more goods and services. Additionally, consumer preferences and tastes heavily influence demand. Products that align with current trends and meet consumers' preferences are likely to experience higher demand. Moreover, the size and demographics of the population play a vital role in determining market demand. Larger populations generally mean a larger potential market. Changes in demographics, such as age, gender, or cultural shifts, can lead to shifts in demand patterns. Technological advancements and innovations also shape market demand by creating new products or improving existing ones. For businesses, comprehending market demand is critical for effective planning and decision-making. Companies must conduct thorough market research to identify consumer needs and preferences, forecast demand trends, and adjust their production and marketing strategies accordingly. This helps in optimizing resource allocation, minimizing waste, and ultimately maximizing profits. Calculating market demand. If market demand is 2,000 units of a product per day and there are 14 hours of production time available each day across 2 shifts, approximately 2.4 units need to be produced per minute to match market demand. To calculate the units that need to be produced per minute to match market demand, we can use the following formula. Units per minute equals market demand per day, divided by total production hours per day times 60 minutes per hour. Applying the formula, the market demand per day is 2,000 units. The total production hours per day is 14 hours. Units per minute equals 2,000 divided by 14 times 60, which is about 2.38.